Stop going to Dairy Queen for $8 an hour when you can maybe make it $20 in a fucking hour running your own business. I could buy a microphone in a day. But you're making $3,000 a month. $3,000 will buy you an entire fucking home studio. Today I want to talk about how you can make enough money with no job, like not having to go to like Best Buy or having to go, you know, to the local, whatever the fuck you gonna go, and how you can make some money in order to buy your studio this summer or this winter, okay? It's not even complicated. Y'all gotta think outside of the box. A lot of people, they're like, oh, I gotta go get a job, it's gonna take forever. We don't know how to make money faster. It's to run your own business really quick. And this, I'm gonna tell you this right now, this especially works extremely well for anybody who's under the age of 18, okay? And I know because I did this. When I was 15 years old, we had a really shitty lawnmower that my grandma would maybe cut her grass, and then the neighbor asked me to cut her grass one time because her person didn't do it. So she gave me $15 to cut her front and back, right? She was ripping me off. She knew it because you can get more money than that, right? But anyways, I did that and I was like, yo, I just made $15 in an hour. I'm like, and I didn't have a job. I'm 15 years old. So I was like, yo, I'm gonna go do this for everybody else. So I went around and started going around to other blocks and stuff like that, asking people, knocking on the door with the lawnmower in my hand. It was a very lightweight lawnmower, a little cheap ass $50, $60 lawnmower, right? And I was like, hey, can I cut your grass, you know, whatever, and make it a deal that's like, it's a deal. Get enough clients, I had 10 clients, I come back every 2 weeks to cut their lawn. I was making $150 in a day. I could buy a microphone in a day. Then what I started doing was I went and started getting other kids from the area, and I would go out and I would get all the business, and then I would have them go cut the lawns, and I would take money off the top. So even if I wasn't doing the work, I was getting paid. And then I would keep 100% of the money that I would make for the ones that I did. Right now, during the summertime, you can go out and with a lawnmower or even without a lawnmower and go find people and like cut their grass. Be like, yo, how much are you paying right now for somebody to cut your grass? Or is your son doing it? Or if you do it, if your husband's doing it, he probably doesn't want to do it, I'll do it for him. And this is a numbers game because you may go to 10 doors and everybody says no, but if you get one out of every 10 of those people to give you money, you go to 20 doors, you get 2 new customers. And they're gonna want you to come back if you do a good job. So you're making an extra, that's $30 already. You knock on 100 doors, you're gonna have 10 clients, that's 100, that really I would charge 20 to 40 bucks. So you're gonna make $200 in a day, okay? And you're gonna get really good at cutting lawns. When you're a kid, they love seeing kids that hustle because people look back on their own lives like, damn, if I was 15, I was doing this, or 16, 17, you know what I'm saying? They'd rather give it to you. If you're a grown-ass man, I don't really recommend this for you, but if you're a kid, this is really gonna work well for you. And then if you're asking, well, what about in the wintertime? Wintertime, shovel snow. People hate shoveling snow, they don't wanna be in the cold, but all you gotta do is find the people, maybe even the same clients that you have during the summertime that you're mowing their lawns, and then you say, hey, I'll do your snow too in the wintertime for the same price. People don't think, you just gotta think outside the box. I wouldn't even go get a fucking job. Just think outside the box. This isn't hard. Go knock on 50 doors. You're gonna get at least 5 clients. If you're making $20 a lawn, you're gonna make $100 in a day. And that's cash. You're not reporting this. You don't have to pay taxes on this. You should. I'm saying, but you could. Go make that money, bro. Go make that fucking money. It's not that complicated. Everybody's overthinking, I ain't got no money. If you really want to get your studio equipment, go get you some fucking money. Stop making excuses as to why you don't have things or why you can't. Rob, I don't have a microphone. Rob, I don't have this. Go fucking get it, man. Nobody's gonna go get it for you. You gotta go and hustle. You gotta go get you some money and invest in yourself. People are always so worried about this shit. Just go do it. You have, look, 1 lawn, 2 lawns, 3 lawns, 4 lawns, 5 lawns, 6 lawns, 7 lawns, 8. I'm passing hundreds of dollars. I'm passing hundreds of dollars you could be putting in your pocket right now. Some of these people are gonna say yes. I could walk up to these fucking doors and they would tell me yes. So I know they'll tell you yes. I did it before. It fucking works. Especially when it's cold outside. You get that snow. I'm telling you right now. It's not that complicated, okay? So go get you some money. If you want to start making, you know, you could be making thousands of dollars a week. Just undercut the competition. Ask them, how much are you paying for your lawn service right now? They're gonna tell you, you say, I'll do it for $10 less. And you're helping a kid out who has a dream instead of paying a big company. Oh, they're gonna love you. They're gonna love you, right? Build your business. You'll be able to buy a vehicle, put your name on the vehicle within a year. You know what I'm saying? Use this money to fund your rap career. Like, go get you some fucking money. Stop going to Dairy Queen for $8 an hour when you can maybe make it $20 in a fucking hour running your own business. The lawnmower is tax writable. When you start an LLC and you're running a business, I guarantee you can get up to making $3,000 a month. Yeah, it's hard work, but you're making $3,000 a month. $3,000 will buy you an entire fucking home studio. What are you doing? Think outside the box. Where else could you make money? How else could you make money? Then hire people, like I told you, hire other people to do the job. You're getting $20 for the job, you pay them $10 an hour, you're making money off of everybody. It's not even fucking hard, man. You just gotta think, man. It's really not that hard. Go get you some money, go get you a studio. That's it. Think outside the box. Be a smart rapper. That's what you're here, right? That's why you're here, right? Get it.